What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna be documenting my funded account with Funded Trader. So I recently got a 25k account about 3 days ago, no, actually like 4 days ago, and I took my first trade. The second day I got the account and I passed the account in one trade. And so before I explain to you guys how I passed the account in one trade, let me first explain to you guys the packages that Funded Trader has. So right here there's a one-step account, two-step account, three-step instant, and also I've got bleeds. Honestly, I don't know much about this, but I usually go for the two-step account. Is all I trade in. The reason I prefer two-step account is because the maximum loss is about 10%, and honestly I love risking big, bro. I love risking big when it comes to evaluation process. So a 10% maximum loss makes me feel free. If you're trading a one-step account, bro, I do not recommend taking risks the way I'm taking them, or that I'm going to explain to you in this video. I do not recommend. Also, this is not financial advice. Please stick to the kind of risk management that works for you. This one personally works out for me. So profit target is 8%. On a 25k account, 8% is about $2,000. Phase 2, the profit target is about 6%, which is about $1,500, and the maximum daily loss is about 4%, which is about $1,000. And then the maximum loss is 2,500. So bro, this account is perfect, bro. The leverage is 1 to 100, so you can trade freely, bro. You can open big lot sizes. The rewards are bi-weekly, which is about 14 days until the day you can request for your payouts, and then the profit splits about 80 to 100%. Anyway, so Funded, bro, these guys are honestly the best, bro. Like these guys, once I hit my profit target, it didn't even take 10 minutes for me to get the phase 2 accounts. And the best parts about these guys is these guys literally give you a payouts. Like they don't make it complicating. They do not take days for you to get your payouts. If just they spend more than 2 days without sending you a payouts, then you get a compensation of $1,000, and it's literally written right here. Let me show it to you guys. Yeah, it's written right here. Reward guarantee: get paid within 2 business days, or we pay you an extra $1,000. So bro, these guys are literally confident about how quick they send a payout. So these guys are trustworthy, and honestly I've had a very great trading experience with these guys. Anyway, so let's not get into the account. So the account is right here. It's a 25k account, and this was phase 1. You can see how I hit the profit targets, and the minimum trading days is about 3, by the way. So I got the account on 23rd of June, and then I hit profit targets on 24th of June. You can literally see from the balance right here. The balance was $25,000. That was the startup capital. And then the next day is when I took my very first trade. As soon as I took my first trade, boom, in one single trade I hit profit targets. You can see a screenshot right here. I made a profit of $2,040. It was actually more than that, but then the rest had to go to commission. So you can literally see the balance is now $27,040, and then the remaining 2 days right here I had to use them to like meet the minimum trading days, because the minimum trading days are about 3, and when I hit profit targets I'd only done 1 trading day. So on this day I had to take more trades and make a profit of 0.5%, because a day to be considered as a trading day you have to like make a profit of 0.5%. That's crazy. But anyways, so I managed to make a profit of 0.5%, higher than that. And then this was my second trading day, and then this one here was my third trading day. Also made a profit of 0.5%. Anyway, so altogether I made a profit of about $2,252. Anyway, so you can literally see right here from the calendar, the first day I took 1 single trade. I'm a day trader, by the way. I'm a day trader. I scalp a few times, but I'm specifically a day trader. So my very first trade I made a profit of $2,040, and then the second trading day I began scalping. I was scalping on gold, and yeah, I wasn't risking that much, bro. I was risking like $40, 50, 100, somewhere there. Anyway, so I took a bunch of trades. I took losses, I can't lie, and then I managed to make that profit of 0.5%. And then here as well I managed to make a profit of 0.5% in about 21 trades. Guy, scalping isn't really for me. But anyways, so the trade I took was NZDJPY. So right here, I remember this trade very well, and let me explain how I took this trade and why. So if you go to a higher time frame here, we can literally see that NZDJPY is on a downtrend. So I'm not that kind of person that really trades with a trend most of the times. I'm more of a reversal trader. I usually be trading reversals, as you can see right here. This is a reversal. Like I mostly trade reversals, reversal. That's all I be trading. But this time I saw a very nice opportunity and I couldn't ignore it. So let me explain why I took this trade. So how did I catch my trade? So you can see the market's on a downtrend, breaking structure, breaking structure, breaking structure. So the way I knew that the market's gonna reverse here exactly is the tricky part. So I used the Fibonacci retracement tool. If you set a Fibonacci retracement tool right up here to all the way down at this level, you can see that the market retested 50% and then it did the impulse. Same thing happened right here. It retested 50%, you can see, before it did the impulse, and then here as well. So when the market reached here down and then I saw that it's reversing from here, I was like, okay, so the market's gonna retest 50% and then it's gonna do the impulse. So I took that trade as soon as it reached 50%. I didn't wait for rejection, by the way, and that was wrong of me, but I had confidence in the trade. I used a sell limit, so as soon as the market reached here, the trade was opened automatically. And bro, I can't lie, I actually reached a huge negative, bro. Like I went way past halfway into stop loss, because bro, I literally saw negative $500, but I wasn't scared. I was confident because I trust my setup. And on top of that, the amount I risked was huge, but I was okay with losing that kind of amount because it's part of my plan. So if I took a loss at the end of the day, I wouldn't be breaking my trading rule. It's part of the process, so I wouldn't really mind. But anyway, so a lot of people are seeing that trend. They're like, bro, it's gonna hit stop loss, it's gonna hit stop loss. They're like, guys, we are cooked. I literally even had to send a poll and I was like, are we cooked or we're heading to TP? So 60% of the people said we are cooked, and then the rest said, now we're hitting TP, we're hitting TP. So this trade literally hit TP, boom. So I would have held this trade all the way to here down if I was trading a master account, because bro, what's the point of holding to a 1 to 3 risk to reward and I'm literally on evaluation process? It doesn't make sense. But anyways, yeah, trading is easy. Honestly, I'll be honest with you guys, but trading is easy. The hardest part is your emotions. The biggest thing you're going to have to work on is your emotions, bro. Learning all of this is easy, bro. I can literally teach you how to predict the market in this exact video and you're going to understand it. But there's not a single trading video that's going to teach you how to stay calm and disciplined when you watch your monthly salary that you saved up for getting taken in 2 minutes. No video is going to explain you how to stay calm. So yeah, this trade as well, bro. I saw negative $500 on my first trade on a 25k account. Like, this is the biggest account I've traded, but I managed to stay calm. And the reason why I'm able to stay calm is because I've blown so many funded accounts, bro. I've blown more than 20 funded accounts. I've done more than 20 funded accounts, I'll be honest with you guys. And trading funded accounts starts to become easy when you're not afraid of losing them. When you're afraid of losing a funded account, it's going to be very hard for you to pass. It's going to be hard. So the reason I'm no longer scared of passing a funded account is because the level I'm in now is easy for me to buy another funded account. So it's why I do not really worry that much. But anyways, yeah, wish you guys all the best. If I'm able to do it, you're able to do it too. Last year I was a shitty trader. I was very bad at trading, bro. I take losses and losses and losses. The year before, I was bad as well. So yeah, it's been about 2 years since I started trading. 2 years and 6 months. I started trading in 2024 January, and it's now 2026 June. So here's my certificate. But honestly, it's very exciting to see my name on a certificate. It excites me so much. All the losses I've taken, all the failure I've gone through, all the accounts I've blown, and this month alone, this is now the second funded account I've passed. So this one is the big achievement for me. And bro, I can't lie, bro, this code funded certificate looks sexy. But just gonna look more sexy, the payout certificate. So subscribe right now if you wanna see me make my payouts. But anyway, so if you guys want to trade with GoFunded, I'm gonna leave a link right on the description, and you guys can sign up with GoFunded. And GoFunded, these guys have really nice spreads. Their payout comes in really quick. If they spend more than 2 days without sending you a payout, you're gonna get a compensation of about $1,000, and it's confirmed. You can literally check the website, it shows right there. So GoFunded is one of the best brokers out there. They barely deny your payouts. They don't even deny payouts, bro. Like, if you follow the trading rules, they will not deny your payout no matter how much profit you make. And on top of that, They have great spreads, they have great leverage, and take it from a trader, bro. I recommend God Funded. So yeah, just check the description and sign up with these guys, bro. These guys do a very great job with their funded accounts.